Hello, my name is Amanda Melcher, and I'm an assistant librarian at Jernigan Library. Today, I'll briefly show you how to search for a dissertation in the database Dissertations and Theses Global from ProQuest. To access it, start by going to the library's homepage, lib.tamuk.edu. From our homepage, look to the upper left of your screen and click on the link that says Online Resources. All of our databases are organized in two ways, alphabetically with letter tabs at the top and by subject on the right. Dissertations and Theses Global begins with the letter D, so I'll go ahead and click the letter D tab. Once I find my database, I'll go ahead and click on its name. The database features several boxes to type in your search terms or concepts. So if you're looking for items about healthcare access in the United States, you simply put each term or each concept in its own box. Now that I've typed in both my terms, I'll go ahead and click the search button. The database will then show you a list of all of its contents that contain the two terms you searched for. To find out more about an article, click on its title. You'll be taken directly to the PDF of the article, if it's available. It can be saved for later by clicking on the download icon on the right side of your screen. For more detailed information about the article, you can click on the Abstract Details tab. This section provides author listings, publication facts, as well as an abstract, and subjects and keywords. This has been a brief tutorial in using dissertations and theses from ProQuest. If you need further assistance, please browse related videos or contact the library's reference desk at 361-593-3319. Thank you.